us hang out here, you know. Look out for the kids trying to get into school. Where do you think you're going? You! Get back here with that bottle. You! With the bottle. What are you doing with this, huh? And why do you have booze? I don't believe you're old enough for that. What is going on in there? That looks dangerous. I'd advise against repeating it in the future. Oh, good effort there, boy. Okay, lad. That's enough now. Why don't you call it a day there? Are you all right down there? I suggest you watch where you're walking in the future. Careful there, boy. I'd advise you to take more care when walking around this school. That was inadvisable. Right, you little worm. I can make your life a misery at this school. That was not a smart move. That was one of the more foolish things you could have done. Perhaps you're not aware of my position in this school. I don't believe walking into me is in your best interest. Good Lord, I appear to have been knocked over. Well, why don't you watch where you're going? Hey, drive with more care and attention in the future. Your butt is mine. Let's discuss your punishment, Hopkins. It's the cycle of cause and effect, Hopkins. It was inevitable, wasn't it, Hopkins? I told you I'd bring you down. It's straight to crowlessness for you, Hopkins. What's going on over there? I've got to go and look into this, Hopkins. Goodbye, Hopkins. I've got a meeting with Dr. Crabblesnitch to get to. I think I can hear a fight in progress. I better go and have a look. Hey, prefects, on me! Get over here, fellas! Somebody needs our special attention. You can run, but you cannot hide. The more you make me run, the harder I'm going to beat you when I catch you. Hopkins, get back here this minute. Hopkins, you may not, I repeat, may not go there. I'll let you off this time. I don't want to see any trouble. I'm going to find some troublemakers today. I will not tolerate indiscipline. Troublemakers will be found and punished. I'm clearly going places. This school needs more discipline. It's absolutely disgraceful in my opinion. I mean, this is an utter outrage. I'm rather confused by this situation. Good effort. Very well done indeed. That is a disgrace to the good name of Bullworth Academy. Hopkins, you better be sorry about that. I'm going to overlook that this time. If you even so much as think about doing that again, you better apologize to me. Now I'm gonna have to make you cry. If you play with fire, you're gonna get severely burned. Don't mess with a lion or you'll get bitten in half. You may not be aware how much trouble you're now in. How dare you? I'm down. Defeat. How the mighty have fallen. Ooh, majestic, even in defeat. My Achilles heel, exploited. I'm going to have to show you the force of my will. This is going to hurt you more than it hurts me. The beating I'm about to administer will give me no pleasure, I assure you. That was below the belt. That is disgusting and unhygienic. Oh, good shot there. Come on, lads. Show them what Bullworth boys are made of. Get on with it, or I'm going to join in. Somebody just made a life-changing mistake. Whoever that was will be found and punished. Wise move, Hopkins. You want to stay in my favor. Thank you kindly. I'll put that somewhere safe. Here, take this. Good day, friend. Greetings. Good to see you're looking well. Here's what I want you to do for me. Listen up, Hopkins. You're going to do something for me. Right now, Hopkins, I need you to do something for me. Hopkins, I need your assistance with a certain matter. How dare you harass me in this manner? By Christ, what is the meaning of this? What do you think you're doing? Do you know how useless you are? You'll never amount to anything. You're a complete waste of space. You're such a no-hoper. That's funny, man. That's really funny. I've had it with that boy. He is going to taste my wrath. Oh, this is absolutely disgusting. What do you think you're doing? I'd watch my manners if I were you. Watch your tone, boy. Careful how you address me, Hopkins. And hello to you, too, young man. Hello, boy. Young Hopkins. Behaving yourself today, I trust? Get off of him right now! You've just attacked the wrong person. Prepare to die. That's cool. Excellent. Excellent. That's rather unimpressive. I can't say I'm overly excited by that. No! You better stop that this minute! What are you trying to do? Put that out this instant! Nobody lights those in Bullworth while I'm on duty. Who's responsible for this appalling smell? Ugh, what a vile smell. Where is that coming from? I'm sure I saw something. Heck, what was that? Must have been a rat or something. Did I imagine it? My mind's playing tricks. I need to go and beat a younger kid to make myself feel better. Hopkins, I can see you very clearly. Hopkins, get out here, front and center, right now. I see you sneaking about back there, Hopkins. Get the hell out of there. I think I just saw something over there. What's that I saw moving about over there? Hang on. Is there something moving back there? I swear to God, Hopkins, if you don't stop right now, there'll be hell to pay. Hopkins, get back here, now! I advise you to stop running from me, boy. Where did he go? Hopkins, show yourself. I'm sure he went down here. Where did that little turd go? I gotta find him. Hopkins, I can see you. You're not getting away from me. There's no escape. Damn it, he escaped. Hopkins, stop that right now, you horrible little turd. Hopkins, I swear I'm going to beat you black and blue if you don't clean that up right now. You did the right thing by reporting that to me. Well done for coming clean. I shall deal with this personally. Interesting. You are an imbecile. You foul little piece of crap. Your parents must regret ever having you. You make me want to vomit. You're the most useless piece of filth I ever saw. You'll never amount to anything. Prepare to get beaten. I'm going to beat you within an inch of your life. My God, you're going to wish you hadn't said that. Now you're getting yourself into something you won't be able to walk away from. Does your mother still choose your clothes? Last time I saw pants like that was on a tram. Did you mean to wear those shoes out in public? Hopkins, you've surpassed yourself. That's the worst shirt I ever saw. Not so smart now, are you, Hopkins? That's just beneath me. You're beneath my contempt. I don't have time to bother with you. I suggest you grow up. Why, you little piece of crap? Oh dear, you're in trouble now. Well, somebody wants trouble then. I do believe you're asking for it. Have you any idea what you're getting yourself into, boy? Now you're in for it. Stick close to me, Hopkins. Hopkins, you better follow me now. Thanks for doing as I asked, Hopkins. Ha ha! Good God, Hopkins! What have you got on your head? Thank you! No, Hopkins, I said follow me. Hopkins, where do you think you're going? What do you think you're doing out at this time? Do you even understand what curfew means? What's the meaning of this? Prowling around in the middle of the goddamn night. You better get back inside right now before I make you. Okay, fun's over. Get back into your dorm this second. Stay calm, everyone. I'll catch them. That little jerk's mine. I swear I'll get that scoundrel. No troublemakers are going to run riot at Bulworth. I'll get that rascal if it's the last thing I do. Okay, people, class is about to start. Everybody stop what you're doing. It's time for class. Classes are starting any minute now. Can everybody make their way to class, please? Classes, please, folks. You do know you're not supposed to be doing that. Oh, now you're in real trouble. You just made a serious mistake. Now I'm going to have to punish you. You're going to wish I hadn't seen you doing that. Hey, you're not supposed to be there. You're out of bounds. What's the meaning of this? You know you're not allowed to be there. What do you think you're doing? What are you doing over there? Get over here at once. Hell, I'm going to have to beat you hard if you don't get over here right now. Hey, you're supposed to be in class by now. Oh, I see. You're too smart for classes already, are you? Get into class, you little turd. You little worm. You better run to class right now. What do you think you're doing? You're supposed to be in class. You better drop that weapon now. Put that weapon on the floor this minute. I do believe you're holding an illegal weapon. Drop it. Holding on to that weapon will be extremely inadvisable. You better drop that weapon before I finish this sentence or you'll wish you were never born. God damn it! What on earth could that be?